Hello everyone, it's Hindash. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is such a special video because I'm revealing my MAC Cosmetics collaboration. I can't believe it. It's been a year in the making. I can't begin to explain how I feel. So I've been working on this lip shade for a year. It started off in New York. I'm gonna insert some footage and some pictures of the process and the journey and talk to you about my inspiration behind the lipstick. So I was the only male makeup artist chosen in the region. I'm representing the Middle East and it's such an honor. I really had to think a lot about creating a color that's very universal because I am a makeup artist and I have so many different people following me from different parts of the world. I really had to take that into consideration and think of a color that's very universal but at the same time very true to me and something that even I could wear and I could, use every day because it is a big deal. It's an honor. When I think of MAC, I think lipstick. So this is my beautiful packaging. I'm gonna talk to you a bit more about it. The ombre sort of represents the intensity of the lipstick. It can go very sheer and you can build it up depending on your skin tone and your preference. And that's exactly what I wanted it to do. So this lipstick kind of gives you that very healthy lip glow, kind of that flush of color that you see in the movies and you try to replicate. You're like, what kind of lipstick is this? And it really layers beautifully over nudes as well to kind of bring them to life. And I mean, I'm the type of person that wears a lip tint every day. So this has been something that I'm so incredibly happy about. So to create this lip color, I really wanted to have a balance of browns and pinks and reds to really kind of bring out different undertones and different skin tones. And I'm going to be showing you the lipstick on a few different models. I had such a short time frame to film this because I'm traveling. So I tried to gather as many models as I could. But I am reposting a lot of different people on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see reposts of people that bought the lipstick and see how it looks like on them too. We sold out online on the release date in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. That's so amazing. And for a lot of you that have been asking, yes, there is a list that MAC gave me where the lipstick would be available. But I really don't have much more information than that. I'm trying to get more information, but I didn't choose where the lipstick would be picked up. So basically what happens is MAC presents the lipstick, MAC globally, to different countries around the world. And that specific country decides whether or not they want to pick it up. I don't know how complicated it is, but that's basically the idea that I got, is that your country basically decides if they want to pick up some stock or not. And I did hear that there might be a March 3rd release for different countries, so please stay tuned and I will let you know if I know anything on my Instagram. I'll keep you posted there. So yeah, I really can't wait for you to use this lipstick, get your hands on it. It works amazing as blush. I'm gonna show you so many different techniques. It looks super dark in the tube, super dark, but because it's a sheer formula and it is very intensely packed with color because I do want it to work on every skin tone. I mean, it is a very special lipstick and I'm over the moon. So this released on February 26th. So again, so happy. So I'm gonna show you some quick different demos on different people and you can kind of get to see it in action. So let's head to that. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. So basically when I created the lipstick, we had to do a look to go along with it on the website with a list of products. So this is my curated look for my lipstick. And I've done base off camera, so we're just focusing on color, and she has individual lashes on. Because I want to take this look from super simple to kind of building it up a bit more, I'm going to start off with lips, which is basically the main focus of the look. And I chose to pair my lipstick with Spice lip liner because I really feel like it brings out all these 3 different tones of the lipstick, which again consists of browns, pinks, and reds. So Spice is a perfect middle ground for all of these colors. Obviously, if you're darker, you go with a darker lip liner and vice versa, which I get to show you along the video. And I'm not filling her lips completely, I'm just outlining them. So basically contouring the lips. And keeping the center free so that you can see the true potential of the lip color. Later on, I layer it over more of a nude lipstick. So this is kind of just showing you what the lip color does on its own. Next, I'm going to be taking my lipstick. This is the MACXHINDASH lipstick, which is a luster finish, by the way. So it's not a matte. A luster is a sheer color, but this one still packs a lot of pigment, which again, I wanted because I wanted to suit so many different skin tones. And my personal favorite way of applying this is tapping it on, which is how I also apply it on myself if I want just a hint of color and to look more alive. And I'm tapping it on, and as you can see, you get kind of the sheerest application like this. And what I love doing is applying it with a MAC 239S brush, which is the synthetic one. And I just really like to push that color into the lips, and it really just creates a beautiful, super even stain and super even wash of color. And it kind of takes down the gloss too and the shine. And if you pat this on the back of your hand or with a tissue, you get a very nice matte but healthy look. Next, I'm going to be applying it as blush, so I'm taking it on the back of my hand and tapping a MAC 109S brush and stippling that onto the skin. And again, because this is a luster finish, it's a sheer wash of color that looks very healthy, but you still get that pigment. And you kind of get to see your skin come through. I love it. I love using this as blush too. It's so beautiful. Next, I'm going to be applying highlight on top of that, and I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish and applying it with a MAC 224 eyeshadow brush because I want a very precise and kind of controlled application. So tops of the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose and chin. And I love this highlighter for kind of that like glass-like glow. And I love applying this on the eyelid too if you want a shimmer, kind of like a wash of shimmer sparkle. I'm applying a bit of it on the inner corners. For eyeliner, I'm taking the MAC Teddy Eye Kohl, which is a shimmery bronze. And I'm just creating a wing on the outer corners. I'm not going all the way in, but I am keeping it very close to the lashes to make them look thicker. Again, we're going for super simple. And adding a bit of that on the inner corners just to add more dimension and depth. For eyeshadow, I'm taking my favorite MAC Semi-Sweet x9 eyeshadow palette. And starting off with that light beige nude as a transition / primer, kind of a base, so that the shadows blend more evenly. Next, I'm taking a blend of that beige with the brown and the taupe, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease for more dimension. So this look is kind of about contouring and just enhancing what you already have, which is kind of what the lipstick does. So going for an everyday look, nothing crazy, nothing complicated, and then intensifying it with a bit of brown if you need more depth. For mascara, I'm going to use the Extended Play Giga Black Lash, and just tying those lashes in together with the individual lashes and putting some on her lower lash line to give her more of a wide-eyed doll-like look. And this mascara is perfect for lower lashes because the wand is so tiny. And I'm just going to be intensifying that lip color just a tiny bit on the corners and the edges. And setting everything with a bit of MAC Fix Plus in Peony. And that is one look done. This is kind of my signature look that I paired with the lipstick. So just nice fluttery lashes, clean glowy skin, and just you enhanced. And I mean, you can't go wrong with this look. It's just a simple everyday look. And I'm a bit obsessed, so I'm intensifying the lipstick as we go because I can't stop applying it. And I think Lana looks amazing in it. Next we have Zena, who rushed over from work, so thank you so much, Zena. And what I'm doing is I'm going to be applying MAC Sora Lip Pencil and contouring her lips with that because that is actually Zena's everyday color. She's obsessed with it. That's all she wears. And she dabs a bit of a red lipstick on top, kind of to try to make a tint, so now she has the lipstick that she needs. With Zena, I'm going to be swiping on my lipstick on her lower lip and getting that intensity, and then I'm going to let her blot her lips together. And that kind of does the same thing, and I'm tapping in the product with a brush just to make it a bit more even. And it's just that simple. It's so simple. And I'm going to be doing the blush trick again with Zena because she loves blush and she loves these tones of blushes. So I'm going to give her a nice sun-kissed healthy glow. A bit on the cheeks, a bit on the nose. And that is the final look on Zena. Very fresh, very healthy, and I love it. It suits her so much. Next we have my cousin Noura, and this is the lipstick applied in full intensity on her. And I'm going to make her blot once. So this is what it looks like when you blot it once, and then we're going to be blotting it twice. And now you have that super nice sheer even color. And again, Noura hasn't stopped wearing this. I love it so much on her, and she just looks great. She looks glowing, she looks healthy. Then we have Maha, who also rushed over from work, so thank you, Maha. And I'm going to be applying the lipstick directly on her lips with no lip liner. So this is directly swiped onto the lips, making her blot, and then just blending it in lightly. And then I'm going to make her blot with a tissue so we get a nice even stain, and we're going to work on top of this. just to show you different techniques. I'm going to be lining her lips with MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. And then we're going to be going super light with MAC Honey Love Lipstick. And now I'm going to be showing you how to adjust a nude that's a bit too light for you and if you want to make it look more blended in. So taking my lipstick and applying that on top of it, and it kind of just blends it in for you and makes it look a lot healthier and more even. And again, you get that nice lip glow. And this is what it looks like applied on a super nude. And I love it. I think it looks really great on her. Next we have Annabelle, and I'm going to be starting off with Spice Lip Pencil. And I'm going to be lining her lips and pretty much filling them in completely with Spice, as opposed to just doing the edges. And then I'm taking a tiny bit of chestnut very lightly around the edges just to add a bit more of a contour and dimension. I'm going to be showing you a trick that I always do and that I've been doing is I layer my lipstick over nudes. So this is Dima's Swiped Again. I'm just going to take it with a lip brush. And this is a MAC. This is a 239 for those of you that asked in my previous video. And you just kind of work it on top. And you can put this directly on your lips. And it kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but you should try it on your lips. It just gives it a different dimension and kind of customizes your nudes. And you can do this with any nude, obviously. So yeah, and that is a technique that I've been doing pretty much all the time and very frequently off camera, behind the scenes. And I mean, what can I say? I'm obsessed. And finally, we have Caroline. This video is coming very soon. I just wanted to show you a bit of a sneak peek of it. And this is my lipstick worn with just a bit of lip liner, nothing crazy. And I'm going to be pushing that into the lips with a lip brush. And this looks so good on Caroline. It brings out kind of the pinky rosy tones in the lipstick against her skin tone. And it just looks super healthy, very plump, very moisturized. And I love it so much. And that is it. I really hope you guys found this video informative and helpful, and I hope you're as happy as I am because I'm so happy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos, and let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.